Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will update how the situation at the moment in Kuta area on Legian Street and Pantai Kuta Street. So if you want to know how the situation at the moment in Kuta area, just keep stay in touch. Check it out.
Welcome to Bali Travel Vlog.
Thank you.
Yay!
Hello guys, how are you today? Yeah, I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today I will update how the situation at the moment in Kuta area on 19th of May 2022. And our journey today start from Legian Street. Yeah, now we are on Legian Street. Actually, I already updated this area about a few weeks ago, so you can find this video down this video, so you can compare how the different the situation in Kuta area a few weeks ago and today. And also in this video, I will make video around 10 minutes without skip video because I just want to show you how the real situation at the moment in Kuta area. I'm really happy because 2 days ago, my government say you don't need any PCR test when you are in Bali, but you must have like complete vaccine and 1 booster. And also now in Bali, you are free with the mask if you are outside the door. Okay guys, let's back to the Legian Street. Yeah, so far in this area we can see together there is more shop are open and also is look more busier than before. You see left side? Yeah, there is some tourists walk around on the sidewalk. Also on the right side, there is 2 girls just try to cross the street. Yeah, it is quite busy, isn't it? Left side, there is one big hotel we call 101 Legian. See right side? Yeah, there is some, I think they are from Australia. They at the front, the tattoo studio. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people around the world missing Bali for sure, and they want to know how the situation at the moment in Kuta Bali. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new situation in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. You see right side? Yeah, there is some tourists doing some shopping at the front of the shop. Yeah, that's really good. And now we are at the center of Legian Street. Yeah, in this area during the night time always busy because in this area there is lots of nightclub like Sky Garden left side, VIP, and in the right side there is engine room. Yeah, some tourists down there. And also left side there is Apache nightclub, Bounty Club and Paddy's Pub. So in this area start from like 8 p.m. until 1 p.m. it will be busy. I mean like the loud music in this area because the nightclub at the central of Legian Street. You see right side? Yeah, there is some shop they are still closed, but I can see like there is more shop are open in Legian Street. I think to recover the shop will be open again, it takes slower because yes, we know together like impact from this pandemic 2 years, they load the capital to start again their business. So that's why there is a lot of shop still closed. But I can say I'm really happy because there is more shop are open in Legian Street. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment on Legian Street. If I turn left, there is the way to go to Sanur and Nusa Dua and then Pasar. But I turn right because I will update how the situation at the moment on Pantai Kuta Street. Yeah, now we are on Pantai Kuta Street. Right side, there is one nice restaurant we call Warung Made. Authentic Indonesian food. You have to try when you are in Bali. It's very recommended restaurant and the prices is not so expensive. There is cute baby on my bike. And actually, I already updated this area about few weeks ago. And few weeks ago in this area, still there is a lot of shop are closed, but now they are step by step are open and more busy in this area now. So we can see some tourists walk around on the sidewalk in this area. You see right side? Yeah, there is some tourists at the front of the restaurant. That's really good. Step by step also in this area is getting busier and busier. And more shops are open. That's really good news. Because my viewers, they lot asking me how the situation at the moment in Kuta area. Day per day, they asking me how the Kuta area is growing up. Because few weeks ago in Kuta area still like that a town, like a ghost town. Because mostly they are stay in Canggu and then they move to Suminya, and now even in Kuta is starting getting busier. You see at the front of me, there is some tourists driving by motorbike. That's really good. Yeah, there is some tourists at the front Jimmy Olivier restaurant. It is quite busy in this area, isn't it? Left side, there is one big hotel we call Grand Inn Kuta Bali. And at the front, there is the main gate to go to Kuta Beach. Hard Rock Cafe, right side? Yeah, some tourists there and some car parking at the front of the Hard Rock Cafe. And also on the left side, there's a lot of car and motorbike parking there. They are go to Kuta Beach. Heritage Hotel, some car parking at the front, and also Kuta Bag at the front. Some bus and car parking at the front Kuta Bag Hotel. It looks so busy, isn't it? If I turn right, there is the way to go to Popis Line 1. And also, I already updated Popis Line 1 and Popis Line 2 few weeks ago. So you can see how the situation at the moment in Popis Line 1 and Popis Line 2. And I will update again the situation in Popis Line in few days. Because I just want to show you how Bali is growing up day per day. Yeah, so far on video we can see together there is a lot of tourists walk around on the sidewalk. That's really good, isn't it? Right side, one big mall we call Beach Walk Mall. Beach Walk Mall will be busy in the afternoon. You see right side? Yeah, some tourists walk around on the sidewalk. And this is the main gate to go to Beach Walk Mall. Not so busy, but there is a lot of tourists today. We can see on the video. That's really good. Left side, there is a lot motorbike parking because there is some people going to Kuta Beach and some people go to Beach Walk Mall. Right side, there is Warung Cuci Mata. It's very famous for local restaurant. And beside Warung Cuci Mata, there is one big parking area for the car. Usually always busy before the pandemic. There is a lot of car parking and the people go to Kuta Beach. You see at the front right side? Yeah, there is some tourists walk around on the sidewalk. It's quite busy, isn't it? And in the right side, there is one famous restaurant we call Mamaka restaurant. Okay, let's see left side. Along the way, left side there is Kuta Beach, and in the right side, there is a lot of big hotel in this area. If you see together, there is a lot of car parking in the left side. It means like there is a lot of people going to Kuta Beach today. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Kuta Bali. If you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new situation in Bali. So you will not miss any new video from Bali travel vlog. Thank you very much for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.